Hello guys, I hope you all are good and everything is fine. So today I'm gonna show you how to change language in Free Fire Max. So first of all, please like and subscribe. It will help us to reach more people on this topic. So let's start our video. First of all, you need to log in your Free Fire Max account and be sure your internet is fully connected. Then you need to go to settings icon on the top right corner. Click on the settings. Then you will see here the account and basic. Click on that. Then you need to go to the language. Click on the language button. Then you can easily change the language from here. Just you need to click your language, then click OK. So this is how you can easily change language from inside Free Fire Max. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.